Let's look at this example. Tom drinks 4 cups of coffee in the morning. Subject is Tom. Drinks is a verb, and 4 cups of coffee is an object. Obviously, this is an active sentence. In simple present tense, the subject Tom is active. It is doing an action to the object. Now let's see. A passive sentence. 4,000 cups of coffee are drunk in that coffee shop daily. Our subject, 4,000 cups of coffee, is not active. It is not doing any action. It receives the action. The subject is passive. 4,000 cups of coffee are drunk in that coffee shop daily. In passive simple present, we have the following grammar: subject plus be in the correct present form, plus past participle. 4,000 cups of coffee are drunk in that coffee shop. Daily access codes to the database are changed every hour by cybersecurity agents. Access codes is a subject, passive, because it's not doing any action, followed by are, which is the present form of be, plus past participle form of the verb change, which is a regular verb, and we just add ed to it. Access codes to the database are changed every hour by cybersecurity agents. In active form, this sentence would sound like this. Cybersecurity agents change access codes to the database every hour. Now you try. I give you the sentence in active form. You convert it into passive. Mr. Burns eats 4 sandwiches for breakfast. So in order to convert the sentence into passive, we take the object, which is 4 sandwiches, and make it a subject. We put it at the beginning. After the subject comes the present form of the verb be, plus past participle form of the verb eat, and then add any additional information. And we get 4 sandwiches are eaten for breakfast by Mr. Burns. If that's the result you got, it's great. If not, don't worry. We will have a few more examples. Try and convert this active sentence into passive. Those criminals burn expensive cars every night. Take a few moments and tell me what you have got. Okay, our subject would be expensive cars, plus be, plus past participle. And we get expensive cars are burned by criminals every night. Okay, one more example, and we are done. Convert the sentence into passive. This furniture company produces only premium class furniture. Okay, take a few moments. So, what happens here? Only premium class furniture becomes our passive subject, plus be, plus past participle. And we get only premium class furniture is produced by this company. Okay, this is it. Stay tuned.